also to make sure your taxes are done, right? So tax day is here. You have until midnight tonight. Jan, you're helping people get ready to file. You have our expert, Dan Riccotto, here. Please make it a little easier for us.
Okay, and we're going to have Sue Serio and Bob Kelly competing in just a second. But first, you have a question for Dan.
I do. Dan.
Sir.
I am wondering why tax day has been extended to today and why my entire family and friend network is convinced that I am going to owe additional money for being late on my tax filing.
You are correct. You're not going to owe additional money because it's Emancipation Day in Washington, D.C. And that means...
On Friday.
Yeah, that means we get a couple extra days. So if you file today, you're okay.
Wrong. You're good.
Okay.
You're good.
Thank you.
Okay.
You got
All right,
it.
there you
All right,
go.
I got a
Thank you
question.
for playing.
Uh-oh.
All right, now Sue's here. Good to meet you.
You too.
Sue?
I got a question. You ready? Oh, you're gonna.
What's your
Okay, I got a question. I went to the ball game the other day and bought Michael Barkan a couple of beverages. Can I deduct that on my taxes?
That's called a charitable expense. No.
Oh, Michael Barkan. Let's go.
Only kidding, Mike. And no, you cannot do that, Bob. I'm sorry. Next time, get Mike to pay.
Sorry.
I've never seen you out of a suit, ever.
Yeah, I know.
Not even at like the U.S. Open.
I'm wearing it.
You're a handsome guy.
Look,
All right.
You know what I'm
radio
doing?
guys.
I'm just Snapchatting.
Oh, yeah,
Well,
snap us.
there
We'll
we
be
go.
Snapchatters.
Snapping
All right.
right now. I'm sorry.
Okay,
Go ahead.
so go ahead. Hi, Michael. Sue's here. Good morning, Sue.
Hi.
Here's the question.
Okay.
I bought a personal computer for business use at the end of December 2014, charged it, didn't pay till 2015. Sue or Bob, can they get it on their 2015 taxes because they didn't actually pay the credit card till 2015?
I'm guessing if you paid it off in 2015, that's when you take the deduction.
I would say you have to take the deduction in the year that you purchased it.
I think Bob's right. I think we're going to take this one in 2014. But you know what? It's probably such a small expense, it's not worth amending the
It's
return.
a computer.
That's probably not
That's
that
from
much.
Debbie. Okay, we have another one from Lene. I filed my taxes in January, still haven't received my state taxes back.
Yeah.
Does it usually take this long?
It can. If you did it by paper, especially, it could take a while. So I wouldn't be too upset just now. But if you did it electronically, check on your smartphone, check on your computer. You can track that and see where it is.
Okay, here's the rapid trivia. First of all, what was the first income tax used for? Yep.
Ding. 1040.
To pay for the Civil War,
That was cute.
1861.
What has more pages, the Bible or the tax code?
Oh, totally the tax code.
Tax code.
You both win.
Tax code's 3.5 million words. The Bible, only 700,000.
All right, can I ask a quick question? And I ask this every year, and I never get a satisfactory answer. If we have to file for an extension, but we have to pay what we owe,
Yeah.
we're filing for the extension because we haven't finished our taxes. How do we know what we owe?
Great question, but you've got to make your best estimate, Sue, because
Oh, okay.
it means you won't pay a penalty, but you still have to pay what you think you're going to owe. You get an extra 6 months to do it.
I'll estimate it for you, Sue.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Last question, total amount of money raised by income tax.
Ah, what do you think, Bob?
Total amount of money. I'm clueless.
A bazillion gazillion
Too
dollars.
much.
You're very close.
How about
Yeah.
$1.3 trillion? Almost 1.5 trillion, actually.
That's
Yeah.
crazy. And I'm with you, Sue. I already yelled at Dan a couple times, sorry, about this whole extension thing. Like, it doesn't feel like an extension if we have to pay.
Right.
What are you extending?
Let's
Now,
go.
can you fudge the estimate? Like, what if I wasn't a good estimator?
Then, if you're underestimating, you still might have to pay a penalty if you underpay.
Yeah, well, how about if the government sends my refund late? How come they don't have to pay a penalty?
Congressman Bob Brady, where are you? Congressman Bob Brady, where are
It's
you?
not fun anymore. Just got a little less fun.
There you go,
All
Sue.
right,
That's
back
for
to
playing.
you in the studio.
People are wondering why are they so small. They're sitting in Bob.